Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I'm going to introduce you to a website called HitBTC. HitBTC is a trade exchange of cryptocurrencies where you can be able to buy and sell and exchange different currencies. So it has all the currencies from Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, and all the others. And in case you need to search any other coin, like in case you need to search a Ripple, you just come and type, and once you type you'll be able to search and find it. So when we see this account, you can see this is the exchange. This is the graph of exchange showing how the Bitcoin versus the USDT, how they are faring on. We can see that this account has a total of $1145. This is 0.03 of a Bitcoin, and we can see the trading balance. When we come to the account, we'll be able to see the amount of coins that are existing. So in case you need to, this is an exchange rate. In case you need an exchange rate, you can have different coins. Like here, we can see that I have Bitcoins 0.0008, but Ethereum I have 0.6, USDT I have 0.2, and when it comes, I have no other coin. Those are the only coins that I have. I don't have any other coin. Okay, I can see BBC I have 100 coins. Then which one else? We can see that Doji I have 70 Doji coins. So what happens? For our tutorial today, I'll first take you how to verify your account for you to be eligible to be able to do your transactions. This is where it's an exchange rate where you normally come and vary. No, if Bitcoin is falling down and maybe Ethereum is going at a higher rate, at a higher speed more than Ethereum, you can be able to convert them. Converting is very easy. You'll just come to the trade exchange and you're able to place your bid, and to place your bid when how you want to sell them, and automatically things will come to work out. So it tells me, dear trader, for security reasons to protect your funds, we have had to temporarily restrict the functionality of the account. Please fill the form and provide the necessary documents. So for this tutorial, what we'll be doing, we'll come here and fill a form. We want to verify this HitBTC account for us to be able to do more transactions. So we'll come and submit documents. They need legit documents to know it's called KY verification form. I need to fill my personal information as I've filled. I need to fill my resident details. I've filled that. Then I need to provide a proof of identity. Please provide a picture of any of the following: passport, driving license, or national ID card, front and back. So make sure the ID scan of which you are submitting meets the following requirements. Must be clear in color, display, and the entire ID. Your full legal name and date of birth entered in form, and personal information must exactly match the information in your document. Document is in non-Latin characteristics and cannot be accepted without certificate of transition. So we'll be able to choose files. This is where this is the email address that I have my ID card scanned both sides. I'll be able to download the back side, and okay, let me name it. This is the ID backside. Then I'll be able to download the other one. I name it ID front side. Once I do that, I have those two documents. So I'll come to the settings. I'll say choose a file. Once I come to choose a file, I'll come to downloads. I'll pick ID backside and front side, and I'll be able to open, and I'll be able to upload to the site. It's called KYC, identification of verification of documents. Make sure the ID scanned of which you are submitting meets the following requirements. I think I've met all those requirements. As I wait, I'm waiting it updates. I can see. So the ID card, both they have uploaded here. So we'll say please submit a selfie in which you are holding your government issued ID, a paper note. On that note, you should be you should handwrite your email address and the current date and the words for HitBTC. Make sure the selfie as submitting meets the following requirements. It's taken in good light. The photo is clear, high resolution in color. Your face must be clearly visible. The text in the notes must be handwritten by you and not typed. The documents you are holding must be the same as must be the same you are submitting in your identity verification. So we'll come where we've taken our photos. This is a second email address. These were this is they have told us ensure that you have your face, ID card, and date of birth being visible. So these are the images that I'm supposed to pick. I'll be picking this one. When I zoom, I can see it meets the requirements, because the requirements they say for the selfie it has to be taken in good light, and the text in the notes has to be handwritten, not typed. So we'll come choose a file, and we'll be able to pick that one, and we're able to upload it. That is the way of verifying yourself in HitBTC account. It will take some time. Meanwhile, we will be able to key in our phone number. Once we key in our phone number, this is my phone number. If you want to reach me out, just use this number and send me via WhatsApp. I'll be able to reach you out. So we will say add. Once we've added for the mobile number, it is taking some time to upload. This is the selfie. This selfie is what I've just uploaded. It says that you should use a username, your email address, your date of birth, and everything. So it has sent me an SMS code to confirm that I'm the owner. So I'll be able to key in, and to key in the number that I've received in my phone call to confirm that I'm the one. Then I'll have to submit. It says your phone number is now verified and saved. So we have submitted a selfie, and everything else have been submitted accordingly. So now it's time to request for verification. Once we request for verification, it will take 2 to 3 business working days. These guys will be able to reach you out. You submitted the application. Please wait as we take it into our consideration. You can see status is pending. So we'll come here to the account. Okay, yeah, ensure you for these tutorials and more you subscribe to be able to know how to trade in using an exchange rate account. So what we'll do, we will come. We'll This is the page that demonstrates the coins, the main account. In case you have already put them to trade in, they will appear here. In case you have you've reserved them, maybe set a certain target, they will appear here, they will appear in the end. And thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. Ensure you follow up for another tutorial that I'll be showing how to trade online via exchange, HitBTC exchange rate when you are trading with the fluctuations of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also the other coins.